Here I have XIAOMI Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on these three stripes here, go to its settings, and here you can find volume buttons function. So you can set it to shutter countdown, zoom, or just volume. So I'm gonna set it to zoom and check how it works. So let's try to zoom in and out with volume keys. So as you can see, like with volume up I can zoom in, and volume down I can zoom out. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.